Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me, your random dude, and um, this is going to be my fourth video. Akala nyo yun ang sipag ko, di ba? So, at this time, kay Bebe Boy Dare naman tayo. And gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi pa rin tayo lahat maka-get over and maka-move on sa previous international performance ni Bebe Boy natin. We are still so proud to be Darinatics, right? Alright, pero this time, mag-rewind tayo ng konti. Ang performance is dun sa recently concluded concert, ACES, and title is Instruction. Hindi ko siya alam. Hindi ko pa narinig tong kantang to, kaya wala akong idea. Kaya ito rin yung pinili ko. So, let's go guys. Instruction, Darin Espanto. Ganda na stage. Woo! Whoa! All right.
Everybody, right to the left, straight to the right. Take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. I'm a simple instruction. Right to the left, straight to the right. Up and down low, take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. I'm a simple instruction. See what I do, what I gotta do.
Wow! Wow!
The gas is no need to queue. Ah, yeah. You want to, you got the juice. Ah, yeah.
Ayos!
Tell me, let me get to you. Well, since I'm bossy, 'cause I am the boss. I don't care what I got. I casino, I get something that I'm right or wrong. Go to the left, straight to the right. Up and down low, take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. I don't want simple instruction.
Wait lang. Sorry, kailangan ko mag-pause. Ginulat nyo naman ako sa ni-request nyo guys. Grabe. Unang-una. Alam nyo naman siguro, since simula pa ng mga reaction videos ko na gusto ko yung mga ganitong performance. Yung mga tipong, hindi lang, paano ba? Yung complete package. Mga ganito. Grabe talaga si Bebe Boy. I like it. Tsaka yung galaw niya ang snappy. Di malangya.
On to the dance floor and I say, oh yeah. Turn on your beat, not too late. Oh yeah. Fill up your mouth, cock up your legs. Oh yeah. Got somebody out there, some bass. Say, hey, that's a bossy 'cause you wanna boss. I ain't even got a care what it costs. That's a casino. You want some breathing? Everybody on to the left, straight to the right. Up and down, low, take it back high.
Good vibes to. Go Baby Boy! Ganda ng mga moves niya.
Hey, that's a bossy 'cause you wanna boss. I ain't even care what it costs. That's a casino. I'm on casino. Straight to the right, up and down, take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Straight to the right, up and down, take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. I'm a simple instruction.
Wow! Nice!
No, I don't need introduction. I'm a simple instruction.
Amazing! Grabe, ang galing! Nice one, Baby Boy! Gusto ko yung ano niya, yung datingan niya dito. Outfit wise, check. Yung pagiging snappy, check. Hindi ko alam yung kanta pero dahil kinanta niya, ang ganda ng moveset, nakakadala. Check. Ano pa ba? Ako lang ba ang may gustong makitang mag-concert si Darren tsaka si Mama Sarah together? I think sobrang pamatay yun. I think kung ang word na entertainment value ito, pag yung performance nila, lagpas-lagpas na yun. I like it. Feeling ko ang makakasabay pa lang kay Mama Sara pagdating sa mga production numbers na ganito. Si Bebe Boy Darren. Please make it happen, guys. ABS-CBN. Sige na naman, por favor. Ang galing na itong batang to. More exposure. Grabe. Isipin nyo na lang guys, pag ito yung mga pinerform na sa kahit sa international stage, di ba, nakaka-proud pa din. Good job, baby boy. I like it. So, I'm not sure kung ano yung next reaction video natin para sa'yo. Pero I would just like to let you know, salute. Ang galing mo talaga. Yun sa mga Darren Addicts. Thank you for joining me. Peace out.